Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I wanted to film my hair care routine because I get a lot of requests just to talk about my favorite hair products. And I was trying to hold off until my entire hair care routine was completely cruelty-free. If you guys are new to my channel, I did go cruelty-free last year. And I feel like it was really easy to do it with my makeup, and my skincare routine is now cruelty-free, but I'm still having trouble finding some good cruelty-free alternatives just for hair products. And honestly, I don't feel like I'm super picky with my hair products, but I feel like it's a little bit more difficult. But I figured I would still film this video because, to be honest with you guys, when I first decided to go cruelty-free, I was a little bit nervous just because I feel like the cruelty-free community can be like so intense and so all or nothing. And if you're not doing it all, then you might as well be doing nothing. But I kind of see things from a different perspective. I think that any change you make to your collection, whether you just replace, your skincare products with cruelty-free products, or you just make more of an effort to buy cruelty-free, makes a difference. And sometimes it takes a little while, and I'm here to tell you guys that it is okay. But in the meantime, I thought I would share the products with you guys that I'm currently using. And if you have any good alternatives for me, it would be so helpful if you would let me know in the comments below. But like I said, the majority of these products are cruelty-free. So anyways, let's jump into it. Okay, let me start with my favorite shampoo. I do wash my hair every other day. I try not to wash it every single day, but if I work out in the morning, I do end up washing it, and I work out about 4 times a week. So there are days where I'll wash it like twice in a row, but I try to extend the time between washing it to every other day just so I can cut down on like heat styling. And I know it's not great to wash it every day, but I just look for like a really gentle shampoo. My favorite shampoo is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. I love this one because it's very lightweight. It is sulfate free, silicone free, and paraben free. And this is great because it's very, very hydrating, but it does not weigh my hair down. I use a lot of Briogeo products, and this video is not sponsored, but I like their products because I find them to be very hydrating, but very lightweight. My hair gets weighed down so easily, so I feel like when I curl it, they just fall out or it looks really heavy. And I like this product because it is so lightweight, but it still provides great moisture. So I use it every single day, like when I do wash my hair multiple days in a row, and it still doesn't weigh it down or leave it looking kind of greasy or heavy. It cleans it really well, and it's very gentle. About once a week or once every other week, I will go in with the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This product is amazing. I've talked about it on my channel in the past, but it's an exfoliating shampoo, but at the same time, it's very gentle. Briogeo products do not irritate my scalp, do not dry out my hair, they don't strip it. They're just very gentle, but very effective. And if you struggle with if you struggle with a dry or flaky scalp or an easily irritated scalp, this is going to be a great option for you because it is very gentle, but it still kind of scrubs away any like flaky skin on your scalp. Not like a glamorous topic to talk about, but an honest one. I do struggle with like a little bit of a dry, flaky scalp during the winter time, and I love this product. I use it every single week. And then during like the summertime, I'll use it once every 2 weeks just to kind of, when you use dry shampoo, it can build up in your hair. So this product just scrubs everything away and really cleanses the hair. It's like a clarifying shampoo, but it has that exfoliating property to it. So whenever I go in with the micro exfoliating shampoo, I always finish it up with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I cannot even tell you guys how many times I've repurchased this. I've been talking about this on my channel for years at this point. I remember doing a full dedicated review when they first created this mask, and I still love it. I think it's such a good product. It's very similar to the shampoo in that it's very lightweight, but also really hydrating. And the thing about this mask is that it doesn't necessarily feel extremely nourishing in the shower when you're using it. Because it is sulfate and silicone free, it doesn't have those like smoothing properties to it, so it doesn't necessarily feel the most nourishing, but you notice a big difference afterwards. Like after you use this a few times, you can tell that your hair is just hydrated, that it's not breaking as much. That's why I love this product, because I really struggle with breakage. If you go back and watch any of my old videos, these front pieces were so short, and I didn't cut them like that. They just broke off, and they're finally finally growing. Like, this is so long for me because for a while it just kept snapping off, but this product makes such a big difference. So I will use this product on its own, but honestly, the majority of the time that I use this, I always mix in a hair oil. This is just one that I've had in my shower for a really long time at this point. Once I run out of it, I'm going to look for a replacement because this brand is not cruelty-free. But again, I had it in my collection, so I was just trying to finish it up. I actually think I have another one. I have like a bunch of hair products that I've just had for a while that I'm trying to use up, but this is by the brand Macadamia. It is their Nourishing Moisture Oil Treatment. So I just take like 1 or 2 pumps of this and mix it in with the hair mask. I feel like this just gives this mask like an extra dose of hydration. It does leave your scalp a little bit oily, so I don't do this when I'm like, you know, running out the door, but I'll do it on the weekend when I'm just having like a day at home because I feel like it really just infuses the hair with hydration. So if you like this mask, you might want to try like infusing it with oil, just kind of mixing it together in your hands and applying it all over your hair because I feel like adding that oil really makes a big difference. But of course, you can use this on its own as well. So I really had a hard time finding like my perfect daily conditioner. I've tried out so many in the past year and I just haven't found one that I've wanted to repurchase and incorporate into my daily hair care routine. But I did want to share the ones that I've been using with you guys and just kind of give you my thoughts on them. So my favorite is probably the Klorane Nutra Reparative Conditioner with Desert Date. I thought Klorane was cruelty-free, so I was purchasing their products for a while, but it turns out they do sell in countries that require animal testing by law. So they are not considered cruelty-free, which is disappointing because they do make some really great products and I really love them. They told me they were cruelty-free, so when I found out they weren't, I was really disappointed. This product though was a little bit too hydrating for me to use as a daily conditioner. Pacifica is cruelty-free and I haven't tried out a lot of their hair products. I tried out a dry shampoo that did not work for me. It had like actual gold glitter in it and it made my hair tangly. I talked about it in a disappointing products video. I do like their Coconut Pro Strong and Long Creamy Oil Mask. I was using it as a daily conditioner because I didn't feel like it was too heavy or it weighed my hair down, but I also feel like it doesn't give me as much moisture as I need for a daily conditioner. So I definitely wouldn't recommend grabbing this as like a super deep conditioner because that's how they kind of market it, because I don't feel like it gives you a ton of moisture, but it smells really good. It smells like vanilla pudding and this product is vegan as well, which is really nice. So those are all of the products that I use in the actual shower when I'm doing my hair. When I get out, I have 2 different heat protectant hair styling products that I use. The first one is from Briogeo and it is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This has been my go-to. Again, sulfate, silicone, paraben free. I really like this product because I feel like it detangles my hair and my hair is insanely tangly. They don't actually market this as a detangler. It's an ultra lightweight leave-in conditioning spray, but it's basically supposed to help with dryness, shine, protect your hair from heat, and strengthen from root to tip. So I've really been enjoying using this one. And then sometimes I'll use the Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. I just have a sample right now because I used up the full-size product. The Heat Protectant Cream is more of like an actual cream product. So I feel like when you're blow drying your hair, it's really going to help straighten it and keep it from getting too frizzy. Whereas this one is just more like a leave-in conditioning spray. I feel like this one's a little bit more hydrating and moisturizing, but they both protect your hair from heat. I prefer this one just because it's a lot more like quick and easy to use. You don't have to like smooth it in your hair evenly. It just sprays really evenly. But if you have very frizzy hair or you're looking to get super straight hair, the blow dry cream might be more of an ideal option for you. So my current hairspray is not cruelty-free. Again, I thought this brand was because I read information that said they were. I did a little more research and they are not, but I have a bunch of these in my collection because they were on sale at one point, so I kind of stocked up, and it is the Spray and Play Harder Firm Volumizing Hairspray. I love this hairspray so much just because I feel like it holds my curls into place without making my hair crunchy, and there's still movement. It's not, you know, too wet, too dry. I feel like finding the perfect hairspray is a struggle. So I'm disappointed that this brand is not cruelty-free because I really enjoy it, but I'll have to see if I can find a good alternative and keep you guys posted. But again, I have like a bunch of these in my collection, so I have to kind of work my way through them. Okay, so finishing up, there are 2 dry shampoos that I use. My favorite dry shampoo is from Klorane, and again, they are not cruelty free, so I have to find an alternative, but their dry shampoo with oat milk is like the best product ever. This one is not a typical aerosol dry shampoo. It's actually a powder that you kind of like squeeze the bottle and it will just dispense the powder into your hair. It works so well. I actually have second day hair today. It's looking a little bit frizzy because it is so hot in here with all of the lights and it's pretty warm out today. But I can't do second day hair unless I use this product. I feel like there are no other dry shampoos that work as well as this one. I actually spray it in my hair at night before I go to bed, and then the next day when I wake up, it looks like I just washed my hair. My hair does not look oily at all with this product. So I need to do my research and figure out a good alternative for this, just like a powder dry shampoo. I did try one from Briogeo, but I don't really like it as much. This one is their Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. I feel like it does not work as well as this one. It's a little bit less dry, so if you don't struggle with a super oily scalp, maybe you would enjoy it, but I feel like the actual bottle just doesn't work as well. It has like a very strong scent that I don't love, and I don't know, it's just not the same as this one. So I need to find an alternative because nothing that I've ever tried works as well as this one. I do use the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I feel like these hair products have such long names. I will use this one to kind of like freshen up my hair throughout the day if I feel like it needs a boost, because I feel like the Chlorine product is so white and chalky, so I have to use it at night so it gives it a chance to kind of like set in my hair. But if I'm going for something during the day and I don't want to give my hair like that white chalky look, I really like this one. I think it's a great option. I just don't feel like it works as well as the Chlorine Dry Shampoo, but it's great for like refreshing your hair throughout the day. And the very last thing that I want to talk about are my two hair tools. Actually, I have three. I have a hair dryer, but it's like so old. I'm actually looking to replace it. The flat iron that I use is actually really old as well. I think that I've had this for like 4 or 5 years. It is just a Chi. I got it in the clearance aisle at Target years ago, and it works really well. I can't complain. I've dropped it like a million times and it still works perfectly. So I love this one. I usually use it to like straighten the top parts of my hair, and then after I curl my hair, I'll just kind of go in and straighten the ends just so it looks a little bit more like undone and a little bit beachy, and I think this works really well. I've had my curling iron since I first started YouTube. They sent it to me when I had like, I don't know, like 10,000 subscribers, which was so nice of them, but it's lasted me forever. New Me was so big on YouTube back in the day, and this is I honestly don't even know if they have this anymore. It's like their 3-in-1 curling iron. This is the largest barrel, and it's lasted me that long, and I still love it. I think it works so well. A lot of you guys have asked me to do like a tutorial on how I curl my hair. Honestly, I just curl all of my hair away from my face with this barrel. I think this is like a 1.5-inch barrel because the middle one I believe is 1 inch. That's it. I mean, my hair care routine is pretty simple. A lot of you ask me to do a tutorial on like the bun that I wear sometimes too, but some people hate that bun and they think I look ridiculous, so I don't know if I'll ever film a tutorial on it. I just like throw up half of my hair in a half messy bun and that's it. But yeah, that is the end of my video. I hope this video was helpful if you guys were looking for some new hair care products. I know that I asked you guys for a lot of recommendations as well, so I'm looking forward to trying some new things, and I'll kind of keep you guys posted. Like I said, the majority of my routine is cruelty-free, but it's okay if it takes you a little while to replace products in your collection. I think, again, any effort is awesome, and you know, it takes some time sometimes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.